they're coming down that railroad track. Hey, look yonder coming down that railroad track. It's that orange blossom special, bringing my baby back. Bring her back, Jimmy. Well, I'm going down to Florida, gonna get some sand in my shoe. Or maybe California, gonna get some sand in my shoe. I'll ride that orange blossom special, lose these New York blues. Oh, here's Dangerous Dan, gonna lose the blues. Talk about her rambling, she's the fastest train on the line. Talk about her traveling, she's the fastest train on the line. It's that orange blossom special, rolling down a seaboard line. Hey, thank you. We're going to take a real short